Hello, my name is Robert Kemeny with Network Consulting Services Incorporated. Today I'd like to show you how to use Ivanti's security controls to install an agent on an endpoint that has not been previously scanned. So to do that, we're going to create a new machine group. We'll give it a name like agent push group, and we're going to add by IP a couple of machines. We're going to assign these machines a credential. And then we're going to use this install agent right there. That button will push out the agent to these two computers when we click install. It takes just a minute. Looks like they have successfully installed in each of those endpoints. We should be able to validate this by going to our machine view. And now we have two new computers that have agents on them that have checked in, and they will use our policy assigned to that for their patch, scan, and deployments. So that's how you add an agent to a client that has not been scanned previously using Ivanti Security Controls. Thanks for watching.